Hi, in this video we will learn how to create a database and a table in MySQL. So first you have to download and install this software MySQL Workbench, and after installing you have to use this software for creating a database. I have already downloaded, so I am creating a database named like My Restaurant. So let's start. You have to use semicolon in last step, don't forget it. And after creating you have to use your database. Semicolon, and here my database is created, my restaurant. Now you have to create a table. I am creating a table named like restaurant. Don't forget to start the round bracket and end after last step. Here I have you can put any entity like restaurant name, restaurant type, address, anything. So I am using restaurant name, our name. What is varchar? Varchar is the variable and character. So you can use text and number both. An integer is using for only integer value, and you have to use comma. R type means restaurant type. Varchar 20. Why I am using 20? 20 is the maximum letter you have to use. Address varchar, and last is budget. Budget is in number format, so I am using integer. This is my last step, so close this round bracket and semicolon. You need not to use a comma in last step. So your table is created. Copy this table and execute. One row is affected, means you have to use your database like my restaurant. Select and execute. Zero row affected, means see, there is no error. Now one table is created, restaurant. How to check your table is created or not? For checking you have to use select all from your table name, that is restaurant, semicolon, select and execute. Here you can see your table is created, and There is a R name, R type, address, budget. Here there is no value in this column, so you have to insert the value in your column using insert into. I will explain in next video how to insert the values in the table. Okay, I hope you understand how to create the table and database. Thank you.